Physical properties of carbon monoxide. It is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. It is insoluble in water, but dissolves in ammoniacal copper 1 chloride. It is neutral to litmus. It is slightly less dense than air. It is very poisonous in concentrations above 0.1% in air. Chemical properties. 1. As a reducing agent. Carbon monoxide is a strong reducing agent. It reduces some metallic oxides to metals, and itself is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Copper oxide is reduced by copper monoxide to give copper and carbon dioxide. Lead oxide is reduced by carbon monoxide to give lead and carbon dioxide. Iron 3 oxide is reduced by carbon monoxide to give iron and carbon dioxide. Zinc oxide is reduced by carbon monoxide to give zinc, and carbon dioxide is produced. 2. Combination reaction. Carbon monoxide burns in air with a faint blue flame, forming carbon dioxide. It reacts with chlorine in sunlight to form carbonic chloride. Carbon monoxide reacts with sulfur to form carbonic sulfide. Reaction with hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide combines irreversibly with hemoglobin in red blood cells to form carboxyhemoglobin. The body tissues become starved of oxygen since it blocks the oxygen intake in the lungs. Death is eventual when 1/3 of the hemoglobin content of blood combines with carbon monoxide. Hence, it is fatal if large quantities are inhaled. Question: why is it risky to use charcoal fire in poorly ventilated rooms? Remark: carbon monoxide is easily produced in poorly ventilated mines and from the exhaust gases of cars steaming in closed garages. It is difficult to detect it since it has no color nor odor. But nowadays, detectors of the gas are placed in motor funnels and coal mines to check the carbon monoxide levels in such areas.